One asteroid ended an entire world. Not slowly. In a moment. This was the Cretaceous Paleogene Extinction. 66 million years ago, something massive entered Earth's atmosphere. Faster than a bullet. A rock from space, miles wide. It struck near what is now Chicxulub Crater, and everything changed. The impact released more energy than billions of nuclear bombs. Shockwaves tore across the planet. Earthquakes. Tsunamis. Then came the fire. Debris blasted into the sky and rained back down as burning fragments, igniting forests worldwide, turning the surface into flames. But the worst part came after. Dust and ash filled the atmosphere, blocking sunlight. The planet went dark. Temperatures dropped. Plants died. Food chains collapsed. And the dinosaurs, who ruled Earth for over 160 million years, couldn't survive it. Around 75% of all species disappeared. Gone. But not everything ended. Small mammals survived, hidden, adaptable, and over millions of years they evolved into new forms, new ecosystems, eventually into us. So the world you know today exists because of that moment, a single impact that erased one age and made way for another.
Thanks for exploring the universe with us. Keep your curiosity in orbit, tap subscribe,